Hello traders, um, I will be recording a live session for a bounce method, and I'll do something different this morning. I turned on the strategy, which is basically 34B. It's still in development, but I expect it to get it released, by end of this year. And again, it's just focusing on bounce, just one type of trade. We have at least 8. So I'll have it on this morning, and our goal is to have about 3 to 5 profitable trades. And we're trading NQ. It's Ninjatrader 2010. We're looking for a bounce from this gold line, and so market is about to open. I'm gonna turn on longs on and shorts on. I have about 10 more seconds. Now let me just make sure it's, yeah, looks like it's working. Okay, we got our one trade, but there was some glitch in filling. So this was a 34-hour trade, 34B. If it's gonna close bullish, it's probably gonna open another trade. No, it didn't. Let me just make sure it's on. Oh, it took it out. I don't know why. Yeah, there was a glitch. That's why it took out that strategy. So I had to re-enable it. Yeah, we're still really basing. Now we're technically on 34-hour trade. Okay, we broke down the settlement. We're angulating loan, so we're looking for a 34B to the loan side if we're gonna have it. Let me just make sure. Okay. I usually enter with these buttons. But I don't have a setup yet. This would have been 34-hour trade, but I didn't take it, kind of leave it up to the Bounce Trader algo, see how it's gonna do. So we're 5 minutes into the trading. We developed a big candle to the upside. So we're still angulating long. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna give us a setup to go long. Yeah, for some reason, see, it's there is a bug in the. But anyways, it opened really nice. If you saw it, it opens where it needs to open, but there is some kind of a bug, so that's why I'm still waiting on a developer. So we had trade number 2. Oh, come on. Just want to mark it. see how the market was trading. Like it had these invisible lines, you know, I call them invisible because we don't have time to jam while trading. But when it entered here, it had enough room for 2 bars to reach those levels. Let's see if it's going to give us another setup. I'm kind of hesitant. We have those wicks ahead, but let's see if the bounce trader will. Yep, see, that's third trade. So it opened just fine. I mean, the logic is there, but something is wrong with the strategy. Well, this one is still on. So 10 minutes into the trading, we have 3 successful trades. I think that's good. You know, we're looking for 3 to 5. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to stay longer here, but because I technically did 3 trades, that's all I'm looking for. And yeah. See, the algo is smart. It takes into consideration the angulation levels, which is the difference between slow and fast EMA. Now price is stuck up. We have wicks here, we have wicks here. See, you may take this would be the good trade, but angulation is really low. So I mean, we could have won, but technically it's not a good setup. I mean, if I were you, if it was me, I would probably take this trade, but Algo didn't take it. Yeah, and at the end of the day, I will post the annotated chart. Like I would take this trade, I would take probably this trade, because it's kind of breaking out of this. So if we have one more bar, yeah, see, the algo is smart enough not to take those trades. Yeah, what I was gonna say, I'll post my annotated charts at the end of the day on my website. The link will be in the description. Well, we're only about 16 minutes into the trading. We did our 3 trades. We have a FOMC meeting today at 2 o'clock, so I expect it to have a good session, like for the first hour or so. But I won't be trading, so I'll finish it up in a couple of minutes. I mean, maybe until 10. It's just ranging right now. Yeah, do you see how do you see how easy it is with Ninjatrader? Because you have a money management in place with this Ninjatrader. You have automatically stop loss is defined. You don't have to do anything. If you're trading a time-based charts, it'll be difficult because your wick will always be different. But here, if you enter it on here, you automatically calculated the stop loss, tick or two below the signal line. So yeah, I traded before time-based charts and other based charts, and I settled with a Ninjatrader, and I'm not looking back. I mean, it's so easy on your eyes. Like it has these wicks, it has a wick here, it has a wick here, but these wicks are meaningful. Unlike time-based charts, those wicks there are a lot of them, and they don't mean anything. So yeah, I like these wicks. Our strategy bounce method is heavily dependent upon the wicks. So we took another trade. Let's see if it's gonna continue. Oh, there you go. So that was a fourth trade. And I didn't do anything. The algo did it. We had a good angulation here, right? And even though there was wicks ahead, was this wick, which is a blockage technically. I mean, it's not as clean, but the angulation here and angulation here was a good signal. So that's, algo did it what it's supposed to do. It's looking out there for you. So we are 22 minutes into trading, and we've got four setups, 4 valid setups, 4 valid trades. Let's see if the strategy is still active. Yeah, like I said, I will. No, it took it out, so I'll need to enable it again. Yeah, that's why I'm not releasing it yet, but it will be released to those who purchase Bounce Trader. And hopefully, we can configure with a joint effort. We can configure, different settings for, for different markets, and choose, spread our risk, and yeah, there's endless possibilities here. So hopefully. Hopefully it'll work out for us really well. Like yesterday, I ran this algo on MYM, and it was well. It was opening correctly, and I ran this algo yesterday the whole day for MNQ. Like it ran up into 700 profits on 5 micro contracts, in first 2 hours, and then it went down all the way to $200. So that's technically, it's not a good trading. Probably after lunch. I mean, it's most technical in its first hour or two, in my opinion. That's why I trade this first hour, or just first half hour. Let's see if it's gonna give us a signal. Yeah, price struggles, but we still have liquidity up here all these weeks. Yep, there you go. You know, $250 on 5 micro contracts. I'm gonna call it a day. You know, it took out my strategy. Yeah, so it's not gonna open anything, but 5 trades so far, and that's like in the first 27 minutes. And like I said, it's just 34B. There were many trades in between here, I see, but I'll mark them down later. So yeah, good session, you know, good strategy. This strategy outlived many other strategies, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a good session too. Thanks.